Hi everyone, get ready to see the real action behind the logging world. From the sound of chainsaws to the power of harvesters, we're taking you up close to the machines that keep the lumber industry moving. Let's get started. This lumberjack is on another level, seriously impressive. He gives off total warrior vibes as he takes down a towering 5-foot hemlock with sheer precision and skill. Every swing shows years of experience, and the sights and sounds of it all are just incredible. You're definitely going to love this. This root ball removal is a textbook case of why meticulous planning and precise execution matter. You're up against unpredictable forces, hidden risks, and potential hazards at every step. That's exactly where true expertise makes the difference. Why do loggers always drop their saws so close to the stumps? One wrong move and it could get crushed in an instant. And holy crap, did you see that? That tree just vanished like it was nothing. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support keeps our creative fire burning. Wow, check out this. Did you see that? This machine just sliced through the wood like butter. The precision and speed are incredible. A true showcase of advanced engineering and design. Imagine this, you're wrestling tons of timber down a road that looks like a crumpled napkin. Not exactly a Sunday drive, right? Every turn is a gamble, every mile a test, but that's exactly what makes it such a wild ride.
Se lo mete mucho. Ahí sí.
This is insane. John Deere's 1270G with the H415 head is an absolute beast. The raw power, the efficiency, it's off the charts. But here's the kicker, a brand new one will set you back around $437,000. Yeah, that's wild. The good news? You can snag a pre-owned machine for way less, somewhere between $175,000 and $245,000. Imagine this. You're sitting in the comfy cab of your skid steer, sipping coffee, while the Hahn HFP 160 Pro does all the heavy lifting. No more backbreaking labor, no more chainsaw juggling, just smooth, effortless firewood production all day long. That's the real magic of the Hahn HFP 160 Pro. Ready to escape the everyday? Let the beauty of the Slovakian forest wash over you in this tranquil journey. From the heart of the Pila-Janovic district, watch timber make its way from the source to its final destination. A soothing blend of nature, motion, and pure relaxation. Let's be honest, no one enjoys dealing with stubborn stumps. But with the Tusa KK900 Kakura, the job turns into a breeze. This heavy-duty harvester, designed for excavators in the 16 to 22-ton range, powers through even the toughest stumps with ease. Efficient, powerful, and built for reliability, the KK900 is the ultimate solution for land clearing and forestry pros. Well, that was a nail-biter, and the winner is finally clear. Who's ready for some serious wood action? This 150 Rand chipper may be compact, but don't underestimate it. Watch how effortlessly it tears through those logs. Pretty incredible, right? Oh my god, the saw jammed. That's a big no-no. Pros know you drop it fast and back away. Safety comes first, always. Better to be safe than sorry. This is Hull Oaks, generations of history standing right here. Can you believe they were once steam-powered? Eventually, they had to switch over to electricity. Times change. Now they're known for those hard-to-find boat parts. But hold up, that's not a boat hook, that's a PEB. And just look at the size of that timber. Now that's what I call a tree. Barber chairs, a logger's worst nightmare. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these things are no joke. One wrong move and it gets dangerous fast. This is insane. Look at how effortlessly the Bandit 1990 XP devours that massive tree. Wood chips are flying everywhere like a shredding tornado. This machine is an absolute beast. Feel the satisfaction of effortless productivity. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 gives you the power to take on any challenge with confidence, take control, hit your goals, and experience the true joy of accomplishment. Remember, nature always has the final say. All we can truly control are our own actions. The Cenobogan 735E is a true showcase of efficiency in action. Like a perfectly placed chess piece, its role in the Pfeiffer Group's workflow is undeniable. By streamlining tasks that might seem simple, they boost overall productivity in a big way. It's a powerful reminder that peak performance comes from using every asset to its full potential. This is a high-risk gambit. The UAZ driver is clearly betting on the vehicle ahead to keep its momentum. One moment of hesitation or a slip in traction, and disaster is on the table. The margin for error is razor thin. One wrong move, and it's game over. Whoa, check out this bad boy. Stump Boss Ltd is bringing the heat with their custom chipping heads. This isn't your grandpa's stump grinder. This beast chews through hardwood like a hot knife through butter. It's a stump grinding showdown, and Stump Boss is the undisputed champion.